In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Outlook Web. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional email signature that shows up exactly where you want it, without having to paste it every time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Outlook. Click the official Microsoft Outlook web result to open the web app. Sign in with your account to reach your mailbox. Make sure you're on the legitimate Microsoft site before entering any credentials. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right of the page and click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. This opens a panel on the right side of the screen with your Outlook options. We'll make all the changes we need from here. In the Settings panel, find and select Accounts, and then choose Signatures. This is where you manage all your email signatures in Outlook on the web. If the panel is collapsed, scroll until you see the Accounts section and then open Signatures. Next, select the option to create a new signature. Click New Signature and give it a descriptive name that helps you recognize it later, such as Full Signature or Short Reply. Naming is useful if you plan to use different versions for different situations. Now, type your information into the editing box. Include the essentials: your name, job title, company, and any relevant contact details you're comfortable sharing. Use the toolbar below the editor to format your text. Choose a simple, readable font. Keep the size consistent and limit colors to 1 or 2 for a professional look. You can insert an image or company logo if you have one. Keeping the file under 100 KB helps your emails load quickly and reduces the chance of images being blocked. You can also add hyperlinks to your website or social profiles. It's usually cleaner to hyperlink a word or phrase rather than pasting a long URL. Take a moment to proofread for spelling, capitalization, and consistent spacing. When your design looks good, scroll down to the Select Default Signatures section. Use the drop-down menus to choose which signature appears on new messages and which one appears on replies and forwards. Many people use a full signature on new messages and a shorter version for replies to keep threads tidy, but choose what fits your workflow. You can also leave one of these as none if you prefer to insert a signature manually. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the window to apply your changes. That's it. Your signature is now ready and will be inserted based on the defaults you selected.